What if a drone could fly longer than fuel-powered systems, yet remain as quiet as electric ones? China's new hybrid engine is promising exactly that, delivering both extended endurance and low signature performance in a single design. By combining fuel-based energy with electric drive, this system could reshape how next-generation drones operate. In this video, we break down how this hybrid engine works and why it matters. At the center of this development is a bold engineering idea that goes beyond incremental improvement. China's hybrid engine promises both endurance and low signature performance by fundamentally changing how drones generate and use energy. Instead of relying on a single system to both produce power and create thrust, this design separates those roles entirely, unlocking new levels of flexibility and efficiency. In traditional drone systems, propulsion is direct. A fuel engine drives a propeller, or an electric motor powers it using stored battery energy. Each approach has clear strengths, but also clear limitations. Fuel systems offer longer flight times but come with higher noise and heat output. Electric systems operate more quietly but are limited by battery capacity. This hybrid system breaks that trade-off by introducing a layered energy architecture. A compact gas turbine generates electricity during flight, acting purely as a power source. That electricity is then stored in onboard batteries and delivered to an electric ducted fan, which produces the thrust needed to keep the drone airborne. By separating power generation from propulsion, the system allows each component to operate more efficiently within its own role. This design also enables real-time adaptability. Because energy is generated and distributed independently from propulsion, the drone can shift how it uses power depending on the situation. It can prioritize endurance when needed, or reduce its acoustic and thermal signature by relying more heavily on electric output. This flexibility is what allows the system to deliver both extended range and lower visibility, two qualities that were previously difficult to combine in smaller platforms. Another key aspect is its compact integration. Delivering around 60 kilowatts in testing, the system is designed to fit within smaller drone platforms without sacrificing performance. That balance between size, power, and efficiency is critical as drones continue to evolve toward more capable and versatile designs. Ultimately, this isn't just a new engine, it's a new approach to propulsion. By rethinking how energy flows through the system, China's hybrid engine introduces a model that could redefine how future drones are built, combining endurance and low signature performance in ways that were not previously possible. For years, drone design has faced a fundamental limitation. You could have long endurance or you could have quiet, efficient operation, but not both at the same time. Fuel-powered systems offered extended flight time and higher output, but they came with noticeable sound and heat. Electric drones, on the other hand, operated more quietly and efficiently, but their flight time was restricted by battery capacity. This hybrid system changes that equation. By generating electricity during flight using fuel, the drone gains access to sustained energy without relying entirely on stored battery power. This significantly extends how long it can remain airborne. At the same time, because the propulsion itself is electric, the system maintains the low-noise characteristics typically associated with battery-powered drones. The real advantage comes from the ability to switch between operational modes. When maximum performance is required, the system can draw on continuous power generation to support longer distances and higher output. When efficiency or low visibility becomes more important, the drone can rely more heavily on its electric side, reducing both sound and thermal output. This dynamic capability creates a level of flexibility that wasn't previously available in smaller platforms. Instead of being locked into a single performance profile, the drone can adjust how it uses energy depending on the phase of its mission. The 60 kilowatt test milestone further highlights how capable this system already is. That level of output allows for meaningful performance improvements without sacrificing the compact design required for smaller drones. It also suggests that future versions could scale even further as the technology matures. What makes this development particularly significant is how it removes the need for compromise. Previously, engineers had to choose between range and efficiency. Now they can design systems that deliver both without heavily sacrificing one for the other. Beyond the engineering and performance improvements, this development points to a broader shift in how drone technology is evolving. Around the world, unmanned aerial systems are taking on more roles than ever before. They are becoming more versatile, more autonomous, and more deeply integrated into different types of operations. In this context, propulsion is no longer just a technical detail, it's a defining factor in what drones can actually do. A hybrid system like this enables longer missions without increasing size, which is a major advantage. Smaller drones can now potentially cover greater distances, stay active for extended periods, and operate more efficiently in changing conditions. This expands the range of scenarios where they can be used effectively. It also supports a growing trend toward multi-mode systems. Instead of designing drones for a single purpose, engineers are increasingly focusing on adaptability, systems that can adjust their behavior in real time, whether through propulsion, software, or onboard intelligence, are becoming more valuable. This hybrid propulsion approach fits perfectly into that trend. It allows drones to shift between performance profiles without needing entirely different platforms. That means fewer limitations and more operational flexibility. Another key point is how this technology could integrate with other advancements. As artificial intelligence continues to improve autonomous navigation and decision-making, and as communication systems become more advanced, having a flexible propulsion system adds another layer of capability. It ensures that the drone can support whatever the mission demands, rather than being restricted by its energy system. Ultimately, this is about more than just one new engine design. It reflects a direction the entire industry may be heading toward. Systems that combine multiple strengths into a single adaptable platform. And if that trend continues, hybrid propulsion could become a foundational technology in the next generation of unmanned systems. This hybrid propulsion system represents more than a technical upgrade. It marks a turning point in how drones are designed and used. By combining fuel-based endurance with electric efficiency, it removes a limitation that has shaped drone development for years. The ability to adapt in real time, extend flight duration, and maintain low operational signatures opens the door to entirely new possibilities. As this technology continues to evolve, it may set the standard for future aerial systems. So the real question is, are we looking at the next industry benchmark, or just the first step towards something even more advanced? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.